Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, again to Sports Circle 345. And as I always say, this is a place where we discuss track and field in its entirety. Recently, I was watching the television and I saw where Asafa Powell said that he has not really retired and is thinking of coming back on the track to do 100 meters. It has set the media world a frenzy, a buzz, because everybody is wondering if Asafa Powell is really going to come back and is really going to do track and field. But stick up in there, according to Jamaican saying. Let me say this to you: if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified with every new video we post. Asafa Powell said that he has not really retired. But who really is Asafa Powell? What do we really know about Asafa Powell more than he is one of the persons who broke the record, the world record, on 2 occasions? Let us do a background as to who Asafa Powell is and what he did before we go further and say, do we believe that he's going to come on the track? Do we believe that he will be successful? Let us do a background check.
Asafa Powell, CD, is a Jamaican sprinter who specializes in the 100 meters. He set the 100 meters world record twice between June 2005 and May 2008 with times of 9.77 and 9.74 seconds. Powell has consistently broken the 10-second barrier in competition, with his personal best of 9.72 seconds ranking 4th on the all-time list of men's 100-meter athletes. As of the 1st of September 2016, Powell has broken the 10-second barrier more times than anyone else, 97 times. He currently holds the world record for the 100-yard dash with a time of 9.09 seconds, set on the 27th of May 2010 in Ostrava, Czech Republic. At the 2016 Rio Olympic Games, he won a gold medal in the 4x 100 meters relay. Powell competed in the 100 meters at the 2004, 2008, and 2012 Olympics, finishing 5th in 2004 and 2008, and 8th after injuring his groin during the race in 2012. At the 2007 Osaka World Championships, he won a bronze and a silver medal in the 100 meters and 4x 100 meters relay respectively, and he was successful at the Commonwealth Games, winning 2 golds and 1 silver medal. At the 2009 World Championships, he won the 100 meters bronze and relay gold. Powell has won 5 times at the IAAF World Athletics Final and was the former 100 meters world record holder in the event.
Asafa Powell, to me, is one of the greatest sprinter there is. He has proven his worth and he has done his time. The man has broken the world record on 2 occasions. With the talk of him coming out of retirement, it's basically null and void to me, because I know he's not going to come to run and try to win races and try to run a lot of sub-10s. That won't work. Physiologically, that won't work. So I think it is more of a paparazzi stunt. It is more like he's trying to just tease some of the people who are around. Asafa Powell is not going to come out of any retirement to come and run on the track. Asafa, of all the person, knows what it takes to be a true champion and to live up to that, and to put that in the track in training. He knows. So I know that he's not going to come and want to do that again, because he's finished with that. Asafa is now raising his family, but he just threw that out there because he wants people to grab onto things in the media world. I think personally he has done his time, as I said, and he has paid his due. Sports Circle 345. Keep watching.